Yo. Okay, I'm not sure what the hell that was, but I just got home from work. I was irritated from work, but we got Threadbeast package number 2 delivered today. So we gonna take a look at what goodies I got. I already cut it open, but I haven't opened it yet. So let's take a look together, shall we? Let's do it. Alright, this looks like a boo-boo setup since it has my bed in it, but you know, we gonna work with what we got. Anyways. Threadbeast. They got me some underwear. ED Hardy men's underwear for $29. What the fuck? $29 for underwear, bro? Alright, let's just check him out. Oh, these are kind of sick though. Hold up. I mean, I don't think my waistband is that big, but you know, we can make it work. Make it work for something. What? Ed Hardy's. These are like biker gang underwears. You got the eagle. Yeah, an eagle all over my ass. Okay, cool. That's cool. Expensive underwear. What is this? Crooks and Castles? Or Castles and Crooks? Not too shabby. Not too shabby indeed. What size? Okay, that doesn't matter. Yeah, nothing on the back. Nice and folded. A nice little design for the front. Cool, cool, cool. I dig it. Now. Oh, is this a Thrasher shirt? Hold up. Okay, no. Black? Block? I'm going to assume it's black. So yeah. Black. Nothing on the back. It is what it is. I actually fuck with this though, so I can't wear that or something. And what is this? We got a Kate In shirt. Made in Pakistan. Oh my, oh, this feels soft. This is just pure black. Pure black, long sleeve with Kate. Is this a, I'm pretty sure this is a sweater. But, oh yes, it's a sweater. But this is dope, I fuck with this. This is clean, I like this. Just black, straight black. I sacrificed my life for Pakistan. No. But, yeah, this is dope. I like this. Material soft. Covers every ounce of my being. Ounce of my body. And we got some pants too. Oh, wait, are these the, I thought these were like the pants that had like pockets on the sides. Pockets on the side. Pockets down the leg, I meant. Alright, what pants are these? English Laundry. Wear your tech utility, active strength, UV protection. Active stretch, secured zipper pockets, elastic waist. Okay, these are clean, these are clean. So of course, I hope these actually fit. 30 waist, 30 large. Okay, yeah, these fit. So yeah, we gonna try these on. Make a couple fits, you know what I'm saying, and hopefully it turns out shiesty. I will do this to fit number 1. Fade out to fit number 1. Alright, so we gonna rock the Air Force Ones just because they're white. And white Air Forces usually go with anything and everything. So now it's actually time to try on the outfits. Alright, let's go. I know it ain't the stallion. You know it's your girl. But you know, shirt's actually kind of clean. I fuck with it now that I'm actually wearing it. You know what I'm saying? Get a nice little scoop of the pants. Nice and comfy. Feel good around my legs and all other areas. And the kicks. The Air Force Ones. But yeah, overall, you know, spice it up a little bit with some accessories. But yeah, overall, yeah, I'll give this little fit a nice little, some slight heat. I'll give it a nice little 6 out of 10. A 7 out of 10. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. On to the next outfit. I ain't gonna lie. I got hungry, so we got some rice. But fit number 2, again, accessories, the black shirt. We switched up the fit a little bit. We got some shorts on. We got some J's on, some Jordan Delta 2s. I could probably switch out the socks, but you know, black shirt, shorts. I like it. I dig it. It's simple heat. I like it. So we're gonna give this one we're gonna give this one a good. You know, this one's 7.5 out of 10. Also, shorts made by my friend's company. Shout out to Wordplay, you know what I'm saying? Nice comfy shorts. Wait. Okay. Yeah. On to the next fit. It's nice, clean, sleek, all black fit, minus the white from the Nike stripes and the white from the Air Force Ones. You know what I'm saying? But very comfortable, very soft on the inside, very warm, makes me feel like a man, puts a few hairs on my chest. Are you down, Mom? Well, yeah, I like this. Nice little simple fit, not too big, not too small. Perfect fit, actually. And I'm gonna do another outfit change with this one just because I feel like it. Same stuff, just this time we got some skinny jeans with some rips in them because we feeling edgy. But you don't want to be too edgy, like an emo person, like a goth person. We're hardcore, but we're not. We're just hard. We're not core, you know what I'm saying? But also, I don't know, this just feels comfy, so I got in some comfy house. Not slippers, but wannabe Sperry's. I don't even know what these are. But I got them at Kohl's or Macy's. One of those for like $10. So yeah, we got these on. Boom. Out here looking like somebody's, I don't know, gay uncle, I don't know. But yeah, overall, this package, ooh, I'll give it an 8. I actually like all this stuff, so I'll give it an 8 out of 10. So we'll see how it goes with the next one. And yeah, thanks for watching. Get in the frame. Thank you for watching. Hope y'all had a good day. Hope y'all have a better night. And hope tomorrow treats you well. Adios. Tee.